Hello, my name is Rosa, and I will be doing my art presentation on the care and compassion form of nursing. I'll be using the illustration of hands to represent care and compassion. I decided to use hands to represent care and compassion in my art presentation because hands in the art world represent many different things such as power, purpose, integrity, identity, care, compassion as well. The human touch, for example, is something that is universal, and I believe it applies to the nursing profession because it's something that gives connection uh, between the nurse and the patient. The nursing segment of my presentation is illustrated by this picture that represents unity for me personally because I believe that the nursing field needs unity amongst everybody in the healthcare profession, and also being that teamwork is very important for the nursing profession. Yes, there are a lot of people that work, and yes, nursing can be successful if done alone, but I believe that if there is teamwork, then a lot of things could be done more efficiently, and the patient outcome and satisfaction would be a lot greater. I also used this picture to represent the nursing segment. It says, "Proud to be a nurse. Every day we live is a chance to give." And that goes back to the hand symbolizing the giving aspect. Whenever a hand is open, it's ready to give. And I believe that there's going to be a time in everybody's life where they are going to have the ability to open their hands to give. And there's also going to be an opportunity for anybody really to be at the bottom and have their hands open to receive. So I feel like nursing is definitely a field that gives. So that's why I decided to choose this picture. The health segment of my art presentation is represented with this image. They spell out hygiene using the hands, and I thought that was pretty neat. Hand hygiene goes back to nursing fundamentals, as Nurse Florence Nightingale demonstrated that hand hygiene and cleanliness in the hospital, clinic, and any health care area is very important, and it represents, like I said before, the foundation of nursing. And this next picture illustrates the proper hand hygiene format, and I thought it was very neat that it included Spanish instructions as well. The next segment is the environment segment, and I decided to use this picture because it uses hands to represent the connection between individuals and the world, and also the connection between food and health. This next picture also symbolizes the environment, in that whenever we go outside and we get some fresh air or we feel the sun on our face, we get a lot of nutrients and we get a lot of emotional and mental aspects of nursing that we wouldn't get if we were stuck inside. The last segment of this art presentation is going to be the person segment. And like I've mentioned before, this image symbolizes the simple fact that the human touch can be an emotional form of medicine. Even though it's a simple act, it could mean a lot to somebody that's going through a hard time. And I feel like although a lot of healthcare professionals go in and out of the patient's room, the nurse is going to be the main person that really, even though we don't really have all the time in the world, I feel like we are the ones that are going to be providing the care and compassion to the patient. Thank you very much for watching my art presentation.